Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Tacticool application on your smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your mobile device. Also make sure the device is connected to a stable internet. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right and go to the search box at the top and type in Tacticool. Now, look for this application from PanzerDog. Tacticool is a top-down 5 vs 5 multiplayer shooter where strategy is just as important as your shooting skill. To download the app on your device, tap on the Get button or the Install button. Now wait for the application to download and install, which will take a few minutes. After the download, tap on Open to launch the game open. And that's it. Now you know how to download Tacticool on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tips and gameplay videos. Let me know in the comments if you want a beginner's guide or best weapon loadout next. Thanks for watching.